Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 6th of August. And first of all, national news. Visa on arrival facility available for nationals of Japan, South Korea, United Arab Emirates. India advised its nationals not to travel to Bangladesh after fresh violence. Supreme Court gave West Bengal opportunity to explain inclusion of 77 castes in its OBC list. Article 370 Abrogation Watershed Movement in Nations History PMOD. BSF intensified security along India Bangladesh border in wake of Sheikh Hasina resignation. All train operations to Bangladesh suspended by Indian Railways. Now, some international news. British PM Keir Starmer called emergency meeting over far right thuggery on UK streets. EU joined refusals to recognize Maduro as Venezuela vote winner. Ukraine's Zelensky displayed newly arrived F-16 fighter jets to combat Russia in the air. Bangladesh protesters stormed PM Sheikh Hasina's palace. And President Murmu arrived in Fiji to boost bilateral ties. Now, some sports news. Double Olympic medalist Manu Bhaker to be India's flag bearer at closing ceremony in Paris. Lakshya Sen missed out on Olympics bronze medal in badminton men's single. Manika Batra led India beat Romania 3-2 to enter quarterfinals of women's table tennis team event. Business related news. Markets around the world are rattled by fears of a slowing US growth. Sensex Nifty crash in line with selling pressure in global markets on US growth fears. Indigo to launch flights to 7 new international destinations this fiscal. And banks to identify MSME stress before turning their accounts to NPA. And that's all in news. Thank you.